If your life insurance plan is my family will go start a GoFundMe, you don't have a plan. You have a hope. Look, I love that people help out each other, but asking strangers online to fund your kids' next 20 years is not a strategy. It's a hope. Life insurance done right does three things: pays off what you owe, it replaces your income for the years your family still needs it, and it gives them time to breathe, not scramble. Here's what most people don't know: it's usually way less expensive than a healthy 35-year-old can get serious life insurance coverage for less than a monthly coffee cup. A healthy 60-year-old still has real options. The mistake isn't buying the wrong policy. The mistake is not even looking. If you haven't looked at your coverage in the last 5 years or ever, DM me the word review. I'll walk you through it. There's no pressure, no pitch. It's a real conversation. If you prefer to talk, text or call me directly at 818-481-9342.